channel, celery. Yes, we did it few days ago, few weeks ago. Again, I get a request for I will wash it off. Here it is, celery. Very good. You break it and eat it. Today we're gonna make the juice nice and lovely. With the celery, we all know that we use it to cook with. I use it in soup. We use it in so many different things, guys. Anyway, stay tuned. The only thing is I don't have any fresh ginger. All right, I'm gonna use some grounded ginger. Or some spice to use with pudding. All right, very nice. I'm gonna use this in it because I don't have any fresh ginger. Lemon is all right, and also I got honey. I'm not gonna be putting no honey inside of it. I'm just gonna be just like this. I must say to you from the other day, remember I was saying that celery is like an allergy. It's an allergy, not is like, it's an allergy. A lot of people are allergic to it. Be careful. If you're allergic to it, you cannot have it. Alright guys, safety, make sure you check first if you're allergic to celery. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see the way how I make this fantastic recipe. Nice, I love it. So basically, as you can see, Chef Ricardo juice my channel. Stay tuned. I got a lot of celery cut up already, and I'm going to put this celery, which I just cut up straight inside of it, and I'm going to wash off these. Nice. Nice lovely chunk of piece of a lemon, and now all I'm going to do is this. Look at this. Gotta put this straight inside of it. Ginger powder. Oh, I need to put a little bit of water in it. A little bit more water. You can put some honey if you like. I don't like it with honey. I just drink it just like this. That's how I drink it all the time. We're gonna blend this about 5 to 6 seconds. Finish. It's just a simple little drink, you know what I mean? You can do this at home, guys. You don't need any, you know what I mean? Very easy to make. This is a fiber. You can have the fiber, but sometimes I don't bother have the fiber. I just, you know what I mean, have it on its own, just like that. You know what I mean? What more do you need? Tell me. Alright, celery and lemon. Good to go. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. And also we got a lot more ideas and recipes will be coming for you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell to get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team. So stay tuned, and I love you all, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So look at that, really fantastic recipe in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. It's amazing to know that you can do like stuff like this at home. Well, anyway, yeah, that's how it go. When you're in the kitchen and you feel like to do stuff and do things, nothing can stop you. You just go ahead and make things. Please enjoy it and click in the notification bell for getting the latest update from the Juice Bar channel. Stay tuned.